Underneath the weather strip, you'll find the metal weather strip retainer. Remove the 3 screws holding it to the frame, and it will pull easily from the frame. Next, we'll remove the rear side weather strip. It will have a plastic clip at the front of the weather strip only. Remove the plastic clip and the rest of the weather strip will pull loose from the retainer. Underneath the weather strip, you'll find another weather strip retainer. Remove the screws and take it from the frame. Beneath the weather strip retainer, the front of the sail panel area is glued to the frame. Pull it loose. With the top in the down position, remove the screws across the front bow. When these screws are removed, you'll be able to remove the metal strip covering the front edge of the top and the plastic fascia covering the front edge of the headliner. Now that we can see where the top is fastened to the front bow, we can remove the staples that are holding it in place. Putting the top in the halfway position allows the side tension cable to have some slack. Drill out the 1/8" pop rivet that holds the front of the side tension cable to the frame. Never attempt to loosen the side tension cable with the top in the up position. The side tension cable is housed in a sleeve in the top. Go to the rear of the sleeve and pull the side tension cable free of the top. To keep the cable from getting tangled in the mechanism or scratching the car, I roll it and tape it out of my way. The top is fastened to the frame with a strap and a screw. Remove the screw to loosen the strap from the frame. Pull the top loose from the front bow and remove all fragments of staples. Those fragments that you cannot remove must be hammered into the tacking strip. Those small pieces of staple are very sharp and may cause injury or damage the new top during installation. In the well area, you'll find the rear of the headliner attached to the body with a screw. Remove that screw. Behind the headliner, the well area carpet is fastened to the body with a screw that must also come out. Fold the top back and cut it loose from the bow listings on the second and third bows. Fold the top forward again. I'm going to cut the sail panels away to separate the top from the window unit so it's easier to remove them from the car. Be careful not to cut the headliner. Flip the rear of the top forward and cut the last bow listing on the fourth bow. This will release the top, allowing you to remove it from the car. Our bow pads were not usable, so we had to install new ones. You will not have to do this step unless you're installing new bow pads. Using a drill and a 1/8 inch bit, drill out the rivets holding the front of the bow pads to the front bow. Remove the locking screw